Pathogen detection at its best. The Assurance GDS system. GDS offers proven reliability and accuracy to protect your brand and your clients. Sample preparation has been optimized to make GDS easy to use, even for novice technicians. By combining pathogen enrichment and PCR detection, the GDS system delivers accurate results for up to 72 samples as quickly as same day. GDS uses the innovative PICPEN immunomagnetic separation technology for pathogen enrichment. Magnetic particles that have been coated with specific antibodies to capture targeted pathogens. By efficiently separating the pathogens from inhibitory background materials and concentrating them, the sensitivity of the assay is significantly improved. After going through a wash, the magnetic particles are released and transferred to the amplification tubes for analysis by polymerase chain reaction. Each tube contains all the PCR reagents in a ready-to-use pellet. No need to calculate or dispense. Once the amplification tubes are placed into the GDS's RotorGene Q thermocycler, PCR amplification and detection begins. GDS utilizes primers to ensure that only target pathogen DNA is amplified. The MGB Eclipse probes ensure only target pathogen DNA is detected. The thermocycler software gives a clear positive or negative result, so corrective action can be taken immediately if necessary. The Assurance GDS method has been globally validated by numerous international associations and approved for use across a wide range of food matrices and categories. Assays are available for all major pathogens, including Salmonella, Listeria, and E. coli 0157H7. Harmonized enrichments are also available to help minimize testing costs. For more information about Assurance GDS, please visit our website